YouTube channel. Ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng isang relief goods mula kay Ulysses. Galing sa barangay. Kailangan natin ng gunting at syempre, ito ang panggugupit natin. Maganda yung packaging. Maganda yung packaging nila ngayon ha. Pinag-isipan. At ito, anong tingin nyo? Bunga dagat. Isang bigas. Tingin ko, it's 5 kilos of rice. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong brand. Sinandoming. At syempre, merong wow, may sardinas. Young Town. At meron pa ulit. At meron pa ulit. At meron pa ulit. 4 na sardinas. At syempre, meron pang corned beef. May corned beef pa ulit. At may corned beef pa ulit. Bali, pitong dilata. At isang bigas. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and hit the notification icon. Thank you for watching.